News tonight, more dengue worries in St. Catherine and how the deadly virus is impacting children. Tragedy in Grand Spence St. Andrew. Twin girls perish in fire. Dancehall entertainer Elephant Man questioned and released following viral gun video. And domestic violence cases on the rise.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories. Milton Walker gives us a preview. Milton?
The BOJ made a major intervention in the foreign exchange market today. We'll have that story later in Financial Week.
And from Milton to Jordan, Fort is at the sports desk.
Yeah, thank you, Archie. Well, remember that story that we carried about the Women's Football League possibly being in trouble because of a lack of sponsorship? Well, last year's sponsor has confirmed that they'll be back on board this year. I'll tell you more on Primetime Sports Friday.
And time now for the feedback question.
And tonight we are asking, what is your view on the continued criminalization of abortion in Jamaica?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and your tweets to @televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns after this break.